Today I'm doing a 4K video sharpness testing. So I have the GH5, the A7SII, and the A6300, and the GX85 or 80. The results, well, as expected, the A6300 has the sharpest image because it downsamples 6K video into 4K, so it has most detailed, cleanest 4K footage. GH5 and A7SII are really close, really similar. You can tell a huge difference. Both look great, and the GX80 actually shoots very sharp image, but it is over sharpened because of the in-camera sharpening kind of thing. The camera tends to over sharpen the image a little bit, so it looks a little bit artificial. You can tell the difference. By the way, I set all setting at the standard profile across all cameras, and no in-camera sharpening or de-sharpening. I didn't change any setting. So naturally I redid the test after my first test because I was not happy with the results. Came from the kit lens. The Sony 16-50 is notoriously soft, so it actually degrades the image quality quite a bit. So I reshot it with this lens, the Sigma 17-70mm. Actually, I shot with this lens 3 times on the 6300, on the GX85, as well as the GH5, so that you have the most you have every condition that is equal. You have the same lens on all 3 cameras. But I can't use this on the A7SII because you can't shoot 4K with this lens because it's a crop lens. So I use the Tamron 28-75 for my A7SII. But this lens is fantastic. It's really sharp. I use manual focus on all the shots, and it is crazy sharp. Yeah, it is better than using autofocus with a Leica 12-60mm. It is just sharper than any zoom lens I know. It's a crazy sharp Sigma 17-70. So at first I had some aliasing in the A7SII image, but I redid it with a manual focus. I still use the same Tamron lens, but I shot with a manual focus the second time, and the aliasing was gone, and that's it. You can see it for yourself, which one do you like, which kind of 4K do you prefer. They are all fantastic cameras. I would say GH5 is a very capable camera. Obviously it has more functions than just simple 4K 100 megabits per second. It has so many more options. But what I learned today is that the lens choice can indeed affect your video quality quite a bit. Yeah, quite a bit. With this lens, 16-50 is just soft, terrible. Alright, that's it, and thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.